Easy. Easy Obi, but I cannot touch the color Lilo. This doesn't count because it's not Lilo. No, wait, no. Doesn't count because we started. This is doesn't count because my hair got bang in distraction. Checkpoints never count.
Set mo yung video, tapos scroll down mo lang, dumakit yung graphics mo, tapos makita mo dyan, vibrant visual. Tapos mo lang yan.
This is doesn't count because it don't feel like it.
Tuturo ko kung paano ito yung madalo. So first, dapat mag-follow ka sa akin sa TikTok. Next, punta ka sa YouTube channel ko, tayo dahil mag-subscribe ka na lang, please lang. Tapos makita mo yung first episode ko sa interview ni SMP, pwede mo yung kasi episode.
These those count. Swipe to jump it. The other colors don't count. This is doesn't count because the colors is currently changing. Oh. Yep. No, I touch. But it doesn't count because it's bro. Does not count to bro. What in the world? This doesn't count.
Pumunta tayo dito sa Victoria Square kasi dadayuin natin si Kevin the Great. Ngayon, kahit maglagkat na to, papuntay na talaga. Huwag kang magingay nga.
That doesn't count to lol. I really prank you. Sorry viewers. Tong.